Hey everyone, it's Diablo124 here, and um, well, we're just gonna get started on part 12 of the PHP tutorials, which is adding stuff into the MySQL database, which we added at the last part, I believe. So I'm gonna go into the MySQL. Oops, it's PHP MyAdmin on my local host. Uh, PHP MyAdmin localhost. Here we go. Okay, after it loads up, I'm just going to go to PHP tutorial, and I'm going to go to users underscore extra. And we have ID, profile, and signature. Um, I'm going to actually edit the ID, and I'm going to take off auto increment. I'm taking this off because we're just going to add the ID that it gives the users when it's creating a profile, or when it's creating a um, yeah. No, I'm going to leave auto increment on. So just turn it back on users extra and users. And I'm going to come into our register.php, and right after we have insert the MySQL query insert into users, just put in MySQL query insert into users extra. Now if I could see it. Values. What are we going to do? We will be doing profile and signature. Oops. We're not even gonna have values there. We're gonna put values after it. Values, and then um, we're gonna have has no profile yet, and let's no signature yet. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go. Let's save it, and I'm going to delete my login I have right now, and I'm gonna have to log out. Log out. So I'm logged out now. Let's come into here, save it, and let's go to our MySQL database. And I'm going to create two. I'm going to insert um, two just random things. I don't even know what that means. I'm going to uncheck it. I'm just going to hit go. And so now we'll have two of them. Oops. Okay, so now we have two. I'm just going to delete those. So now we'll be on 3 on both. So when I go to act equals register, I will type in my real name, my username, and my password, which is 12345. It did not say I was registered. Did we ever add that in there saying you registered? No, we didn't. Okay, so I'm just going to add that really quick, just so it's nicer. Echo, you have been registered. Href equals index.php. Click here to continue. Just gonna save that, and I'm not gonna refresh it because, you know, oops, why did I put act equals login.com? I don't know. Username will be Andrew Wren 12345, and I'm gonna check remember me and hit submit. I've been logged in. Click here to continue. Perfect. And now I'm going to go to act equals user and ID equals 3. Cool. So now if we come back to this, didn't insert, so let me take a look really quick. Okay, so MySQL insert into users extra, profile, signature, values, no profile yet, no signature yet. Okay, Okay, we have to put an end parenthesis right here, save it, and now I'm going to delete my user again, just so I can recreate with the same name. I'm going to come back to users extra and I'm going to insert a whole nother person thing. Okay, now I'm going to delete it. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to register again. Act equals register. Oops. Act equals log out. Click here to continue. Click here to register. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've been registered. Click here to continue. Click here to log in. And rerun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember me. And submit. Perfect. Now let's check it again. Perfect. ID is 4. Profile, none. Signature, none. And ID equals 4. So it works. And every time you register, it'll just, And also, I noticed something when I was looking at the code earlier. For index.php, we're going to change the if act equals user to if act equals profile. So just change where you have if act equal user to if act equal profile. And I'm also going to, and just save it. I don't know, because act equals user doesn't really make sense. So if we do act equals profile and ID equals 3, we will be linking most of this together soon, so don't worry. User does not exist because my ID is 4 now. Perfect. Andrew Wren, signature, profile. So I guess what we should start doing is making more functions. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to add a function for getting signature and function for getting the profile. Get sig. Get sig. We're going to do UID. Just like this. So we're going to do res equals MySQL query select signature from users extra where ID equals UID. Oops. We're going to return, we're going to do row equals MySQL fetch assoc res, and then we are going to return row signature. I'm going to save this, and we're going to come to our user.php, and we will come into where we have signature after legend, but before the end of the field set. And I'm going to open PHP tags, and I'm going to do get. I'm going to echo get signature. If I could spell signature right. Signature. I hope I did that right. Get sig. Okay, so it's get. And I'm going to make this a small s. And I know I'm running out of time, but we're going to do get sig UID. I don't think we've declared UID. No, we have not. So I'm going to do get UID username 2. And I'm going to do that. Save it. Close PHP tags. And we're going to refresh. And it says no signature yet. Perfect. I'm out of time for this tutorial, but don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And remember, follow me on Twitter. See you guys soon.